What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? This is Omar S. Murphy, also known as OSM Bad Guy. Before you do anything else, before I get into talking what I'm going to talk about, I need you to go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button because I'm hitting you with videos every week so that you know what's going on. So moving forward, anybody knows me, I'm a car guy, but this is not a car channel per se. This is me just telling you about the car that I own. And the car that has given me the most problems of all cars I've ever owned is my BMW E92 335i. Now, it hasn't given me problems per se, but it cost me a lot. Before I get into how much it cost me, I'm not even going to give you the satisfaction of showing you your build sheet. So anyway, you get the gist of what I'm saying. Having the E92 335i, I decided to do the M3 conversion and to really spice things up a little bit. I upgraded the turbos, upgraded everything that needed to upgrade because the internet said so. Internet said you need new turbos, the internet said you need to do this, do that, do this and that. The internet said a lot. Damn. So according to the internet, I was expected to have a lot, and I put a lot into it. And I've got my car dynoed. If you don't know my dyno is, you can check it out on Instagram. I dynoed it before I put the dual cone intakes, and it was at 93 octane on a conservative tune at 16 pounds of boost. I was putting out 418 to the wheels without even increasing the boost all the way up. So that's pretty good, considering that my boost was not all the way up. When I put the dual cone intakes in there, you know, increase the boost to like 19 PSI or 93 octane, I got a lot more power. But on top of all of that, it's like, I'm gonna be honest, I'm done with my 335i. Yes, I'm done with it. I'm so done with it that I'm upgrading to a better platform. The platform that I'm going to, that I'm talking to you guys about, is from a video I did a couple of years back. The video I did a couple of years back was a simple vlog talking about my possibility of getting an Audi R8, the V10 that is. Upon me deciding this road to go down on to embark, I said, you know what? I don't want to do any more tuning cars. I mean, I don't want to have to build the car up. It was so much time and money. It wasn't, the money wasn't a factor. It's the fact that it was a whole lot of time. My car was literally in the shops, plural. It was in the performance shop. Actually, I did all the maintenance. And then it was in the performance shop. Then it was in the body shop. And then it had to get tuned. Only to not be tuned at a tuning shop. I had to tune it myself via email with Twisted Tuning. Had I known all of this before embarking on my journey, I would have been a lot better. There was no one to guide me along the way. It was only the internet. So the internet had one word for you. Damn. Yeah, that's how I feel after I spent countless hours, countless amounts of money on the project that only got me the desired result. Meanwhile, you have people who have the port injection. I had port injection in too. You have people who have single turbo. But you know what? The best way to describe this, I'm going to say, relationship is how I actually communicate with my cars. And hopefully this skit will tell you everything. Call me an Uber. Yo, what up?
What's up with you?
Ain't nothing up with me. I mean, what's up? Why you staring at me like that?
Where you going?
I'm going where I'm going, and it has nothing to do with you.
Oh, it's like that?
Yeah, it's like that.
I heard you were trading me in.
I don't know what you're talking about, but whatever I do, it's my business, and you shouldn't have to worry about that.
Please, don't trade me in. I promise you, I will not go in lit mode anymore. I will hit boost when you want me to. I will not leak. I promise you I won't misfire. I guarantee you I will not misfire. Cylinder 6 will not misfire. I don't know about cylinder 4, but cylinder 6 definitely won't misfire.
We're not even having this conversation. I'm getting my Uber, and I'm heading out of here.
Why you need an Uber? You can drive me.
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Come on.
No. I'm out. You here? Alright, I'm coming out. By the way, I swear, all of that really happened just like that. So as always, I really appreciate you guys' time. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Follow me on Instagram at TheRealOSM. Follow me on Twitch at OSM Bad Guy. Follow me on Mixer at OSM Bad Guy. Follow me on Facebook at Omar S. Murphy. Matter of fact, all my information is in the link in the description. So follow me on all platforms. Hit me up on Twitter, TheRealOSM. So as always, I love you guys. Peace out, and I'ma holler at you later. I'm out. Peace.
Get it in on these tracks though, am I gonna relax? No, I keep it coming every time until the track blow. Fact though, anybody come and get it, but they gonna regret it when I'm getting busy, then I explode. Man, I'm so hot, I'm feeling kinda cold. 4 whole stacks just rolling down the road. OSM, epitome of dope mode, taking down names, cause you know they got it on old.